Alright, look what just arrived in the mail. It is a giant box full of things. Most importantly, a thing that I've been waiting for months, perhaps actually about 2 years now, think about it. Anyway, this is going to be a Dr.Venture Tiki mug. I had it specifically made at Shapeways in porcelain. I had to have it tested before I could even get anyone else to, or allow anyone else to buy it, or even, see what it looks like in the finished state. Anyway, further ado, let's put it on that there, and why is it up? A nice tracking number. All right. Okay, we have that open there. And so this came all the way from New York. Shapeways is, I think, a Swedish company originally, but they have many studios around the world. One in New York City, and that's where this one was made. They just started doing porcelain. Let's get this in focus here. Focus, thank you. All right, so they just started doing porcelain. Here's my packing notice. And sort of was in the I'm speechless, sorry. Looks like I have to put this down for a second. There's an inner box inside the outer box. It is fragile. Fragile. Okay. And let's do this. Whew. Shapeways. Yay. Okay, I'm going to put this down right here. And do another cutting of the box. I already gave away what's going to be inside, but I have no idea how it looks or how the finish actually came out. So your guess is as good as mine as how well this came out. I've been putting pictures online for a while, and they're just of the virtual render. Let's get this in. Okay, there we go. Whee! Okay. Here it goes. I originally actually started sculpting this in a free program called Sculptress. And I've gone on to make a whole bunch of other Venture Brothers related stuff. And I was actually going to make a line of collectors' tiki mugs. So I figured I'd start with this one. I think it's one of my favorites that I've done so far, and it's also one that I could not. I've actually already tried to do it in a casting from a 3D print that I made, and then I realized, wow, this is really complicated. It's gonna take me like a day just to make one out of the original mold, just because it was a really complicated 3-part mold, and then I wouldn't even have the glasses on it. This Dr. Venture does wear glasses, and that makes it a little more complicated. Okay, I'm just going to have to... Sorry, bear with me. I've never done a successful unboxing. I tried doing one when I got my 3D printer, but I don't even have a tripod anymore. Okay, so let's just get that open. Oh, the bubble wrap. What are you? What color? I thought I got this in blue. It looks a little bit gray or green? Oh, I don't know. It definitely looks a little lighter blue than I was expecting. That's very light. Oh. That's definitely the size of a... Wow, okay. Well, it's not the color I was expecting. I was expecting a much darker color. But it definitely looks like it's a tiki mug. so much. Boom. Okay. And there is Dr.Venture. Holy mackerel. That just came out amazing. It's a much lighter color blue, but I'm actually kind of digging it. And you can see the sort of the wood detailing, which I originally did all in 3D by hand. And yeah, that actually came out really nice. Let's see if we can get look in there. Yep, that shouldn't be too hard to clean out, and it's actually not too detailed. And there's the bottom. Cool. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed. Actually, even got a little bit of the glaze in there. Cool. Wow. So I've just made my own collector's item. That is awesome. All right, well, join me later. I will be making my own suffering bastard and putting it in this mug and probably drinking it as I watch the next episode of the Venture Brothers. And you can follow me on my Twitch stream at Jim Anziello, and catch me on Facebook at Unicron Studios. That's where I do a lot of fine art, 3D related things, 3D printing specifically. And I'm also working on a STEAM educational ball jointed doll Android game. Probably for most consoles. I'm targeting sort of the wide iPad tablet market, but anyway, that's a whole different thing. This came out awesome. All right, well, thanks for stopping by and checking this out. And I do Modeling Mondays on Twitch, and occasionally I do Futures Fridays if I have that day to work on stuff. I'm just usually modeling stuff from the game that I'm working on and talking about science and technology on Fridays. And yeah, so that's pretty awesome. It's actually real. Whee! That's fine porcelain. Okay. And thanks for coming by. See ya.